Assalamualaikum madam. My name is Siti Najiha binti Ishaq. My matric number is 10 DPM 20F2011. In this video, I want to present about plastic pollution. The causes of plastic pollution is it many a time nature cause. Many a time waste is transported by the winds. Plastic, which is very light, even get blown away in gentle wind and carried away by the rain into stream, river, and finally the ocean. Besides natural disasters such as flood should also be considered as other causes of plastic pollution. Second is effect. Effect of plastic pollution is it upset the food chain because it comes in size large and small. Pollution plastic even affect the world's tiniest organisms such as plankton when these organisms become poisoned due to plastic injection. This causes problem for the large animals that depend on them for food. This can cause a whole slew of problems each step further along the food chain. Plus, it means that plastic is present in this fish that many people eat every day. In solution of plastic pollution is educate business. Speak to local restaurant and business about options that they can switch to for packaging, storing and baking items. Many companies are starting to coming up with excellent low-cost replacements such as bamboo utensils in place of plastic. Lastly is the value in plastic pollution is reconnecting with nature. Plastic is a life-enhancing and life-saving material with many important applications, not least in the field of medicine. The problem that is so cheap and so difficult to dispose of removing these layers of plastic between us and our food and choosing more natural material for our household had a very noticeable and a pleasant effect on our physical senses. It is a joy to touch, smell and look at natural things, and we feel reconnected with the natural world in a very real. Next point to value is consumer least plastic safe animal. With between 10 to 20 million tons of plastic going into the ocean every year, it's inevitable that some of it will affect sea animals. The problem is foolish seals gobbling up Coke bottles, but turning pieces of broken down plastic calling microplastic that are invisible to naked eye.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Izzata Alisha binti Zamri. My matric number is 10DPM20F2039. I want to present about environment. The cause of pollution are not just limited of fossil fuels and carbon emission. There are many other types of pollution including chemical pollution, impacts of water and soil. Third, improper disposal practice and agricultural activities by cities and urbanization as a result of population growth. After that, I want to talk about effect. The effect is plastic pollution as a cause of climate change. Then I want to talk about solution. The implementation of a recycling campaign is able to preserve the environment from being polluted. Rapid development including industry, agriculture, livestock and settlement produces a lot of solid waste. Iron and plastic that take decided to decompose add to the chronic nature of environment pollution. In conclusion, with this recycling campaign, iron, plastic, paper and glass material can be disposed or used. This measure can certainly reduce the quantity of waste that polluted the environment. Last but not least, the value is we should adopt the reuse of packaging of plastic bags in order to save the use of additional resources of the manufacture of new plastic bags. Lastly, we should adopt 3R practice to raise awareness of excessive use of plastic. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Shoda binti Taridi. My metric number is 10DPM20F2007. Now I want to continue about plastic pollution. First, cause about plastic pollution is a society that doesn't not practice recycling. The effect is plastic pollution causes the death of marine life due to injection or drawing pain, lack of oxygen as a result of the accumulation of garbage on the sea surface. The solution about this, the move to ban the use of plastic will give wisdom not only to us but other natural life. There are two values about this plastic pollution. First, we must be a prudent society so that we can help to reduce this pollution. Second, we need to use recycled items so that we can help reduce this plastic pollution. Thank you.